गोवा इज अ गोल्ड माइन ऑफ नेचुरल ब्यूटी, लेकिन हम लोग अपनी ट्रिप सिर्फ बीचेस और शैक्स तक लिमिट करके बस ऊपर ऊपर का सरफेस ही स्क्रैच कर पाते हैं. But an intrinsic experience of Goa is incomplete without exploring its serene countryside. And in my search for tranquil and quiet corners of Goa, I stumbled upon the state's largest river island of Diwar. Accessible only by ferry, Diwar Island still maintains its exclusivity and unique character, mainly because the locals have always resisted against building a bridge, which, to be honest, is not really a bad thing. सबसे पहले तो अपनी कार को फेरी में रख के taking the short ride across the Mandavi River is in itself a pretty fun experience. This slow ride not only is a unique way to travel, but also gives a peek into the daily lives of the locals. However, when we drove off the ferry onto the island, it's easy to see why the islanders have always been a proponent of the limited access. Surrounded by marshlands and paddy fields, the drive to the village felt like I've teleported to a different era. One where time has slowed down, allowing me to savor the raw Goan countryside. And my home for next 2 days turned out to be a paradise within a paradise. This Portuguese-styled homestay is an oasis of peace and lush green vistas. लेकिन उसके साथ साथ the owner himself is quite a character. He has this quirky way of making you feel a part of the family and Goan lifestyle.
When I built this house, I didn't dream it will be for guests like this. I built it for my future generations. But when I saw our families living away for various reasons, so what I thought is sharing this property with people all over the world. And while sharing this property with all the world, I have two basically agendas. It's not only the property. My heart lies for the island. My USP of my property is live the experience. I'm blessed by God. Many people have money. Many people have brains like me, for engineering brains, which can design this structure, this edifice or my mansion. But few people will be blessed to get a property with such a fantastic scenery.
Seriously, 270 degrees view.
Panoramic view.
Doubt about
panoramic view. I worked in about 18 to 20 countries of the world. But what happened is, after working everywhere there, deep inside, my heart lied here. While I was working there, I started constructing this place. I've grown up with this Goan food. I've grown up with the language. I've grown up with the culture. Living abroad, you miss the weddings, you miss the funerals, you miss the parties, you miss the language, you miss the food. You do get food, but not as much as I've come back for all that. And the thing runs in my veins. My heart lies here.
So essentially, you miss the life.
I miss the life. Exactly. You have come to the point. You hit the bullseye. I miss the life. I've come back for the life. And I'm happy with it. And I'm more than happy now opening it up for public, because I'm getting everyone from all across the world. I need
at your doorstep.
At my doorstep. Having people from Germany, from Europe, from Delhi, from anywhere else, where I get the people, I see their culture, I learn also. It's like an exchange program which happens.
Of course.
So whenever a guest leaves, I don't say bye-bye. Bye-bye is 2 words. I say, once a Moradia guest, always a Moradia family member. And I mean it. Why? I tell them, even if they come in my old age and drop in here, have a drink, you need not stay here. You are already enrolled as a family member. And you now, Abhishek, you are already a Moradia family member for our lifetimes.
Along with the Goan hospitality of Nevis, the next best thing here was the delectable homemade Goan food. और वो भी इतनी वैरायटी that I was sure कि आज ना ही खाना खत्म होना है और ना ही हमारी गपशप.
Before we do the bon appetit and everything, I'll just give you a little flavor of the food, some of which you would have already had.
Sure.
Like to start this way, we have this known as galmo. Kismur, the real name is kismur, which you can do from mackerels or from tiny baby prawns. It is a ethnic
Dried,
prawn cuisine.
right?
Dried prawns, very correct. Dried prawns in the hot sun they dry,
Right.
and it's mostly used in the rainy season
Uh-huh.
because in rainy season you don't get fish easily. So this is a side dish. Basically. This is of course rajma.
Yeah.
Here you have mackerel curry with teflon. You see these tiny pods here?
Yeah.
They are teflon. They are little spicier and on the throat it's little harsh on the throat, but it gives an excellent flavor to the. It goes only with mackerels. It doesn't go with prawns. Bon appetit. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Serve yourself. Yes, serve yourself.
This is truly what you say, live the experience. We are living the experience.
Correct, no? Really, no?
Later in the day, Nevis took me for a drive around the island and shared some of his favorite hideouts and childhood stories.
When they want to trap the fish, they will put the nets here,
Okay.
which happens early morning hours, normally the wee hours in the morning. They'll put the nets here. When the water is rushing in, the poor fish, they get trapped here, and next morning it's a catch going to all the cities. The contractor takes the contract for the annual basis. The fishermen stay here overnight, and they do a job at 4 a.m., 5 a.m. in the morning, which is the best time to catch fish. To climb on the jump on the launch, and there were about 50 to 60 people who could sit in the launch, and you could go all the way to Panjim that side. So you see, this is the Diwar Church. It's known as Our Lady of Piety or Nossa Senhora de Piedade. It's more than 400 years old. It's extremely good to see from inside. Unfortunately, it's closed now. There is an excellent museum behind with all artifacts. The way the Hindus and Catholics live in synergy and in harmony. See, you have a church here, and if you do a drone, you'll see a temple right there. You can see something colorful here.
Yeah, right
so
beside.
the temple, incidentally, the land was gifted by Manuel Gomes de Pereira. Manuel Gomes Pereira was a really magnanimous soul. He gifted the land there. He gifted the land to the Hindus, and they built a church there. So Sri Ganesh temple exists in harmony with us. That's why I say the epitome of Goa's harmony is Hindu Catholics living together and the Muslims as well.
अब अगले दिन की शुरुआत तो बिल्कुल वैसी ही हुई जैसे कि मैंने सोची थी. एंडलेस वॉक्स, एमलेस स्टॉप्स एंड बाउंडलेस व्यूज. शायद दीवार की हवा अपना रंग दिखाने लगी थी, तो बस जहां रास्ता ले जाता हम उस तरफ चल देते. लेकिन ये इजी पेस ऑफ लाइफ बहुत जल्द ही एक मिनी एडवेंचर में बदलने वाला था, क्योंकि मिस्टर नेविस ने डिसाइड किया कि क्यों ना अभिषेक को एक नेचुरल फेशियल दिया जाए. और आगे क्या हुआ, वेल आप खुद ही देख लो.
As they also say, variety is a spice of life, and I got variety of spices in life and spices in the Feni. Now I'm going to see how good your nose and taste is. You need to smell as well, and you can taste as well. So gulp it down your throat so that you'll feel warm here. You'll get the taste. You'll be able to smell it also before. Go ahead. Let's test you out. The farmers gulp it in one go.
Oh, I can't do that. Is it garlic?
No, one more try.
I think I've lost my sense of smell. And
I'll give you a hint. Restaurants in India serve it after lunch or dinner.
Oh, it's soft.
Very soft.
Ah.
So if you see the card of my Nevis, my name is Nevis. If you read it backwards, it's SEVEN. 7.
Oh.
I feel this place has 7 things to offer in terms of S. Serenity at night, you'll know how serene the place is. Sea breeze hitting from Mandavi River from that side to this side. Sunshine, I built it with 34 doors and windows. Scenery. Solitude at night, you'll know what is solitude, or if you want to read a book, sit and read a book, you'll have solitude. Then I have another S, which is very common for Goa, Sossegado. Sossegad means laid back. Goans are laid back. And the last S, can you guess? It's somewhere in the property.
I'm not very sure, but since you're talking about S, I saw a placard in your lawn saying sex in life.
Wonderful. Sex is the seventh.
Is that the one?
Yeah. Sex is an integral part of life, and I glorify it as well. So we have 7 S for Nevis.
Life on the island is different. Even though there isn't much to do here, but it still has so much to offer. शायद इसी को slow travel कहते हैं. It's not just about speed, but about the mindset. We slow down and live for the here and now and truly experience the place, the moments, and the life.
I would like to say Atiti Devo Bhava, guest is God, and Vasudev Kutumbakam, the whole world is one family for me, the way I run it as a home, including you are my family, a Maradhya guest, a family member for lifetime of Maradhya.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye, bon voyage.
इस डिश को जब बना रहे थे इधर के ओनर, तब स्मेल करके रोहित शेट्टी आ गए थे। रोहित शेट्टी
अच्छा, ओके।
वो सिम्बा मूवी की शूटिंग कर रहे थे इधर,
ओके।
और उनको स्मेल आया डिश का ये, तो
सीरियसली?
हाँ, तो उन्होंने अपने क्रू बॉय को भेजा इधर चेक करने के लिए कि क्या बन रहा है,
ओके,
कौन सा स्मेल आ रहा है। तो उसने आके उनको बताया कि ऐसे ऐसे चिकन शाकुती बन रहा है इधर, तो वो अपनी पूरी क्रू को लेके इधर आ गए थे शाकुती खाने।
सही में?
हाँ।